How to make carrot cake. 2 cups flour, 2 cups sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon nutmeg, half teaspoon allspice, 1 cup vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, 3 cups grated carrots, 1 cup chopped walnuts or pecans, optional, half cup crushed pineapple, drained, optional. For the cream cheese frosting, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened half cup butter, softened 4 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Preheat the oven, set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease 2 9-inch round cake pans. Mix dry ingredients, in a bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. Combine wet ingredients, in a separate bowl, beat the eggs and oil together until smooth. Stir in grated carrots, nuts, and pineapple if desired. Combine and pour, gradually mix the wet and dry ingredients. Pour the batter into the prepared pans. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool completely before frosting. Make the frosting, beat the cream cheese and butter together until creamy. Add powdered sugar and vanilla, then beat until smooth. Assemble the cake, spread frosting between the cake layers, on the top, and on the sides if desired. Decorate with extra walnuts or pecans.